What a way life has changed in just a short space of time. Corona is what everyone is talking about. No parties, no open bars, basically. We just got to stay inside. So, since we're inside, stop eating up the quarantine snacks and work on that summer body, eh?
All right, my name is Steve Ming, fitness consultant for Spartan L Club. Firstly, I want to welcome interns to my home. It's COVID-19 and we're unable to work out, but the program must continue. You must do your workout. So for today, I'm just going to show you some exercise in which we could do at home. Maybe pretending we're at the gym. I have with me my dumbbells. I have my music here. Okay, intense, welcome to my home. As you notice, I'm working out from my kitchen. My living room is right here. So we're gonna warm up. Come on, let's warm up. Let's warm up. Come on, you're home. We're home together. Good job. Warming up. Before any workout program, you must warm up. Come on. Arms across. Arms up. Twist forward. Good job, guys. Come on. Arms across. Arms up. Twist forward. Good job. Excellent job. Go. Across. And up. Good job. One more time. Let's do that one more time. Come on. Up. And then we're only warming up. Come on, guys. Now double knees up. Double knees. Good job. Cross it at the front. Come on. Kick it double right here. Turn single. Double. Run it. Two jumps. Double punch right here. Then run. Then double. Come on. Then run. Come on. Of course, you know, you can join me 7 o'clock every morning on my social media page, Steve Ming 1. Again. Come on. But of course, you know that's the warm-up. We brought the weights to show you a resistance training. I'm sure every one of you must have some 5-pound dumbbells or 4-pound dumbbells at home. So we're going to show you. Now on this program, what I'm going to do is that I do a upper body for one day, and then the following day you could do a lower body. So you get to allow the muscle group to rest in order to recover. Ready? Bicep curl to start with. 30 reps and each muscle group. The weights are light, so we're doing muscle. Come on. Up. For the lower back. Come on. Now, go. 1. Up. 1. Up. 1. Wow, I'm feeling that. Good job. Come on. 2 more. Excellent. Program could not have complete without a solid abdominal program. Ready? Abdominal nice and tight. Chest up. 1, 2, twist. 1, 2, twist it. 1, 2, twist it. Core work. Go. Over. Come on. 1, 2. 2 more. Over. Come on. 1, 2. Again. Come on. 1, 2. Good job. And of course, the program always complete with a bit of stretching. You must stretch the muscle group in which you have worked. Good. And of course, intense. At home, you must do the necessary. After finish every workout, you must spend time to wash your hands, disinfect your weights, and make sure that you all stay safe at home. Remember, my social media platform, Steve Ming 1, you can always hit me up. Fitness consultant, Spartan L Club, we're at home, but we're together at home. Jamaica, we can do this. We're strong, we're resilient, we'll get over, do the right thing. Exercise, take your vitamin, wash your hands, do all the necessary. Vitamin C components, take your vitamins, we're good to go, we will get over. Jamaica, intense.